I'm Haxrbyte. I'm a red team operator, penetration tester, and ethical hacker with over 20 years of work experience in cybersecurity. There was an obvious step that I did miss that I wanted to just show you because I think it's quite valuable if you want to get better at CTFs or if you want to get into pen testing as a career. This tool is very nice, and the tool I'm talking about is Nuclei. Now, Nuclei originally came from Bug Bounty, so it's that's where it came from. It's classed as a vulnerability scanner, and it's got the ability to scan vulnerabilities on a web page specifically, and also can scan local files. So if you downloaded a website locally to your machine, you can scan that as well. And this is Nuclei. What's nice about it, it's got these YAML files that sort of templates that you build with YAML, and that tells Nuclei how to detect or how to run these checks. And I don't want to dive into that too much. I just wanted to show you Nuclei, and specifically on Grandpa. So let's run that. It's minus U for the target. So as you can see there, it starts with HTTPX, so it's identifying our web service. It's got detecting CVEs. What's interesting is Nuclei comes with 8,794 templates, but depending on the host, it like focuses its templates and it clusters them, so it reduces the templates, so it won't run templates that's not applicable. Just give it a sec. Okay, it found IA short names. It's all informational. Let's just give that a second to run. So this is the vulnerability that we found. It was vulnerable 2. It's all running. We go. Missing security. And there it's picking up the Microsoft IIS version. This was also quite interesting when we ran Nmap, and we saw that's obviously very from a CTF point of view, that's always handy to get the exact version, and that is what I was looking for. So you can see that CVE 20177269 listed as a critical. Now, if I copy that, okay, paste, exploit DB. See, that's the web dev. That's the remote buffer overflow that we were looking for. And if we did that, it would have pointed us in the right direction. Now, so SC storage path from URL remote buffer overflow. There's the same one. That is it. And then that's the exploit we found. Don't forget about Nuclei. Like I said, it would have been very helpful last week, and probably could have avoided initiating the Go Shell Replay protocol.